I can't feel my head. That's not my step.
You ready?
Yeah.
Here he comes. What you got? Good job! Good job!
Only red one.
An airplane?
And ready open up in the house.
Oh, green and pink?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
You got a whole bunch.
Baby, right here.
Oh, that one got crushed.
Someone just hit that one in the baseball.
Yeah, alright, let's go back.
Yay!
Yay, good job. That was awesome.
You're gonna dump them in
Dump
here
them
and
in.
you get a treat. Look at the treat. Dump your eggs in.
Walking behind me, there's no monster behind me. I'm telling. That was it. Why rubbing peace like that? Make sure no scratch on there.
Okay, make sure there's no scratches. We want to crack it. Come on, crack it. Crack the egg.
And crack it with my mom.
Crack it. Come on, crack it.
Woman. Yeah, bro, it's so yucky. Ew, what?
What is it? OM?
OMG.
OMG.
It's OMG.
You gonna pour them in?
GG.
You gonna pour them in?
Yeah.
Let me see how you do it.
Wait.
Can you do it?
You got for time. Yummy.
Free to choose.
Is it good?
Happy birthday.
Happy Easter!
Happy birthday for
Happy
your
Easter!
Happy birthday for Easter.
You got one more time. Happy Easter!
Happy birthday for Easter.
Okay. No.
No.
Okay. What do you think? Yeah, what did you guys get?
I'm talking
Can you
about
open the golden egg? What's inside?
Is that Elmo?
What is it?
the
Oh, it's money?
Oh, you got money?
Put back in.
You got put it in the piggy bank.
Now go keep it back inside.
You gonna put the egg in your piggy bank?
No.
Yeah, you gotta save it. So you can buy a Lamborghini.
A Lamborghini.
Oh, what's this one, Jordan? You wanna open your Elmo one?
Yeah, what's inside Elmo?
What's inside Elmo? Uh-oh. Oh,
Oh, it's chocolate.
Looks like some fancy chocolate.
What's he gonna do with it? Are you gonna eat it, Jordan?
No, you don't.
What?
Oh, he threw it on the floor.
You'd rather have the egg over the chocolate.
Don't move.
Put it back in there. Can you hold it for you?
Yeah.
They're gonna race?
Yeah.
What do we got? We got a red car, a yellow car, and a blue car.
And maybe you got play with me.
Okay, who do you think's gonna win?
My balloon.
Ready? Yeah, the blue one did go the fastest.
But what do you want to eat up? What there?
Are those bugs? There's a ladybug and a firefly.
And there's a me. Oh, hello, Founder here. Thank you. Oh my God, they're freaking
Oh, fell in the lava. Oh, you're gonna fall in the lava. Be careful. Yeah. So you're gonna go down the slide?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, go down backwards.
You do it! Why? Be beautiful wife. God is
Okay, let's go.
Way far up in spot.
Yeah. You're going way up high in the trees.
What the heck?
Look at those trees. You're climbing a giant rock.
You're pushing down rock.
Yeah.
You can go down not. Oh God, go down or not, James?
Yeah, you can come down. Or you want to go down the slide?
That fight too bad and I didn't know who this what the heck is down is.
Okay.
I gotta sit up here for a while and then go out. The tree's moving.
Wow.
top.
Yeah, you're on the top floor. Jordan's on the bottom floor. Hello, kitty. Are you underneath? And you're above. Up and down.
I'm climbing down.
You're gonna climb down? Okay. Are you playing in the sand?
No, I obey.
Yeah. Hey, Cameron. What are you making? The castle? A what?
It's a whale. Happy Easter!
Be your fishing pole.
Okay.
We're gonna go fishing and we're gonna eat it.
Yay!
Yeah, we teach you how to fish. Okay, yeah, then let's take
Ready
some
for your
pictures.
Easter egg hunt? Come on, let's go.
Let's get some pictures. You can play with it after.
Let's hunt for the eggs first. Here's your bucket. Or you want the yellow one?
I want the yellow one.
Yellow one? Okay, wait for Jordan. Well, Jordan's gonna take the wagon.
Yeah, you can put some more inside.
Come on, Jordan. Here, take your basket.
Come on, buddy.
Temperature dropped in the snow.
Yes,
it
it's
did.
cold.
Yeah.
Come on.
Sun just went down.
Ready?
Ready, second.
Go! Come on. Let's get the egg. Go! No, you gotta get the other one.
You gotta get the other one.
Come on, Jordan.
This one. Big one? Oh, second. Okay, leave those in. I think it might be you gotta find the trail of bunnies. There's the first one. Now where's the second one?
Oh, wow.
No! These in my bag really quick.
Do you see the golden one? Oh, that's the special egg.
What's Jordan?
It's on the big one. It's on the big one.
Oh, you
Who
got
is
an
it? Is
Elmo
it
one.
Elmo?
It's on the big one.
Oh, Elmo.
It's on the golden
Oh,
one.
you gotta look real hard.
It's on the golden one.
The golden one. That's the special one.
You gotta find one too.
Yeah, okay, come on. Y'all look extra good. The Easter Bunny can be tricky sometimes and hide them somewhere we might not see them.
Be very careful.
Yeah.
Look extra good. Do you see any eggs anywhere?
Oh, right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh.
Those are yours.
Oh, good job. You're such a sheriff. Come on, Jordan.
You gotta find the extra golden one. Very quiet.
Yeah.
Very quiet. We told you to be very
I
quiet.
gotta open them eyes. Yup, see if you see any.
I don't see any.
Look extra good.
No, that's not it.
Do you see any over here? What
No.
about under there?
No, nothing. Let's be careful.
Yeah, I think we got them.
Look at that.
Wow, it looks like a
Chicken wing.
like a chicken wing.
And we start over here and do it back up. And just turn around. Oh, we start. We go round. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, good job. Looks amazing.
Forward, go round and round, round and round, 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 round and round and round and round and round and round.
Love it.
And take me on this way out here. Take your
You eat all your cookies. It's just for you.
Oh, and this zombie coming down.